In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly to ClickUp tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a task link from ClickUp and share it through email so your teammates or clients can open the task in one click. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. Click the official ClickUp website from the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces and tasks. Once you're in, navigate to the project or list where your task lives. Open the project you want to work with, then identify the specific task you want to share via email. This could be a task you need feedback on, an approval, or simply a status update you want someone to see. Hover over that task and look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called More Options. Click it to open the task's Quick Actions menu. From that menu, choose Send Email to Task. This option tells ClickUp you want to share or reference this task in an email, and it surfaces the relevant link for you. You'll see a dialog with a link. Click Copy to copy that link to your clipboard. This link points straight to the task, so the recipient can open it quickly. Keep in mind that the person you email may need access to your workspace or to that task's permissions to view it. If they're external, you might need to adjust sharing settings or provide guest access, depending on your team's policies. Now open your email client and start a new message. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Add a clear subject line, like Review Needed. Click Up Task to set expectations. In the body of the email, paste the link you copied. It's helpful to include a brief note that explains what the task is about and what you're asking the recipient to do, such as review, comment, or approve. Adding this context reduces back and forth and makes it easier for the recipient to take action. When everything looks good, click Send. The recipient will receive your email with the direct task link. Once they open it, they can view the task details and, if they have permission, leave comments, change statuses, or add attachments. If you don't see the Send Email to Task option in your menu, check that you're viewing the correct task level and that your workspace permissions allow email-related features. That's it. You've shared a ClickUp task straight from your workspace to someone's inbox, keeping your communication clear, centralized, and fast.